Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So in this specific video, we are going to take a look on a volume profile trading strategy that you can use for finding good entries, and you will also learn how to read volume profile properly on your chart. So volume profile is a very powerful tool, and if you use volume profile with proper setup and if you know how to read volume profile, then you can easily catch good entries both for shorter time like for scalping, and you can also use volume profile for swing trading, or if you want to take or hold some entries, then you can find good level where you can place your buy and where you can place your sell. So I already uploaded a basic introduction video on volume profile trading strategy, and this is the video that I already uploaded. In this video I covered the basic terminology of volume profile, so if you want to check this video you will get the basic introduction of volume profile. And for this video I'm going to share a method and a different kind of approach for volume profile. If you want to use, listen very carefully and you will get a good buy and sell entry with the help of this strategy. So what you have to do, as you know that volume profile is already available in indicator section, you just have to head over to indicator, and in indicators you can see we have this technicals menu over here, and on this we have volume profile. So these are the volume profile indicators available in TradingView. Trader use these volume profile as per their setup and as per their methods. So these are all different kind of volume profile you can use, but for this video I'm going to explain this one, the fixed range volume profile. So what you have to do for fixed range, you have to find a good buy impulse or a good sell impulse. So let me show you what you have to do. Like on your chart you have to find a good buy move or sell move. Like in this case we are currently looking in gold chart, and this is 15-minute, and on this chart you can see we have a good buy impulse. This one is a good buy impulse. Now whenever you see this kind of buy or sell impulse, you don't know what is going to happen next. So to know the levels where you can enter either in buy or sell, what you have to do, you just have to add this fixed range volume profile. For this you just have to select any low point, like this one is the lowest price at 1619, and this is the high price at around 1671. You just have to click like this. Now after applying this indicator you can see this plot the volume profile. So what this indicating us, you can see we have some high volume area. These are the high volume area. So at these high volume area we can say that there is most buying and selling happen over these particular price level. So at this price level, this price level and this price level, those with high value node, we call these as high volume node. This one is high volume node, this is low volume node, because there is very low volume traded over this price range. So whenever at particular price range where the most value or the most volume of trade happen, this indicated us like this high areas. So this indicate that at that particular price most smart money player and most retailer placing their order. But as you can see, the price moved from this lower price to this higher price sharply. So this means they pushed the price from this particular price level to higher price level. So in between these this price range, you can see this is the high volume, this is high volume. So what you have to do, you just have to mark those area with high volume and those with the low volume. So as you can see, if we don't know what is going to happen after this, like, let me show you what you have to do. Just forget about the price after this range. You just have to plot the levels like this. Like this is the highest price level, just mark down this area like this. This is also a good high volume area, this one right here, and this one is also a, as this is this red line generally indicate a POC or POC area. POC means point of control. So this is the highest traded point, and at this price level most of the volume traded at this level. So you can extend this also like this. So these are, you can use as per your convenience. Don't over complicate the chart. Try to like select the only biggest area that you can use. So these are now our support and resistance zone after this move. So what does that mean? As this is a buy move, so buyer going to defend. Like if price going to reverse from here, because at this level we have a very few level of few orders, buying or selling order, and we can say this is a very low volume profile area. So price might reverse from here because it want to test these level, because there is very low liquidity area, and at this place we have a high liquidity area. So after this we can expect that price may reverse. But if price run over to this level, then another level is this, and price might reverse from here. So you will get the levels on the volume profile. You will get your support resistance level easily from the volume profile. So if we play this, let me show you. So after testing this level, you can say price tried to reverse initially, and you can say a good move, and after this price break down this support, and the next support is our this area. So you can see price ranging between these two nodes, and you can see that price is ranging between these two areas, and finally it might test this level. And you can see after testing they push the price to lower to confuse the retail trader, like we extend this like this, and then they sharply move upside. So this help you to find good support and resistance level. So you can easily find this on your chart. You just have to find a good buy and sell impulse. So you can apply it anywhere on your chart. Let me show you another example. So this is another good buy move from here to here, or you can say from here to here. We also have a good buy move. So what you have to do, you just have to click fixed range volume profile and just select the lowest and the highest. So this draw this volume profile, and we have some zones over our chart, and you can clearly see this is a good buy zone. Sorry, this is a good high volume area. This is the VPOC, the volume point of control. This is good valleys, and so they are going to act as support, because this was initially a buy move generated by smart players. This is also a good volume area. One thing that you have to remember, these low volume area generally act as our imbalance area, and price might mitigate those imbalance. Like whenever price tries to move away from the high volume area, let me show you from the previous example. So as you can see, after this buy impulse from here to here, at this level we have very few buying selling orders, or you can say the very low volume. So price tried to move into the high volume or high liquidity area. So as you can see, price rejected from here and tested these levels. So these levels floated on your chart, and you can easily get a hint when to enter. So you can enter either here, you can enter either here, and you can use your stops accordingly. So as you can see, we have this, you can see we are currently on live chart, and you can see this is a good buy impulse, but in between we have imbalance zone. These are this one. Let me show you again. So this area and this level and this level, where you can see we have very few volume traded, and these area now acting as imbalance, and price might mitigate those level. And you can see that price tested this level also, and this level is not tested yet. So if they want to defend these area, they can start from the lowest area like this, and they can push the price toward the high price. But if not able to defend these area, then price might go down and test the previous zones like this one. So this is the method, and this is the way you can read and apply volume profile on your chart. I explained this on 15-minute. You can use on higher time frame also, but if you are trading in day trading, then you can use 5-minute and 15-minute. But you just have to go with the setup. You just have to find any good buy sell impulse, and you just have to select the area, then you can open trade. Like if I want to explain this movement like this one, if I apply again this one here, from here to here we have a good sell impulse, and this is the volume profile you can see. So in the volume profile you can read, let me clear the drawings, and you can see after this selling, this good selling move, you can see they pushed the price toward the lowest price. But now where you can enter in the sell? So after this we have very few volume over this level, and price started to reverse, and it tested this low, or you can say this volume imbalance, and tested this also, tested this, and then this. And at this level you can see at low volume imbalance they again push the price toward the low level. So you can decide your levels, you can put your stop losses toward the recent high volume traded area, you can put your stop losses, and you can take entries accordingly. So you just have to watch how price behaving on volume profile, and you just have to follow those levels. So this is the method, and this is the strategy, volume profile trading strategy, that you can use on your day trading, and it is a very powerful tool if you use properly. I'll explain more example on gold chart in next video, so see you there. Thank you.